Happy St. Patrick's Day, the Irish national holiday for blacking out and peeing your pants. Count me in. Welcome to Bar School, where we break down the history of cocktailing. I'm Beau Robinson, and I don't need much of an excuse to wear a fedora. Celebrating my Irish roots is enough. And this weekend, we get to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Cheers! St. Patrick, or should I call him by his real name, Maywin, was a 4th century Roman British Christian missionary and bishop that converted thousands of pagans to Christianity throughout Ireland. His death is now celebrated worldwide and is marked by the date March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. Now, the original holiday started out as a feast. It didn't become the modern day celebration it is until the Irish American immigrants got a hold of it. Parades were thrown throughout cities in the US. People started dyeing their beer green, and in 1962, Chicago dyed their entire river green. It's now one of the most celebrated holidays in the entire world. That makes me proud to be an Irishman. St. Paddy's Day is an all-day event, and if you want to reach the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, you need to know one thing. Your first drink is as important as your last. But what goes good with breakfast? Marshmallows? Lucky Charms? Milk? Lemonade? No. Irish car bombs? Ugh, no. Guinness? Think about what goes good. Coffee! Yes! Irish coffee! Story has it that a young Irish chef, Joe Sheridan, came under responsibility of a new restaurant at the Irish Foynes International Airport. One evening, a flight was sent back to the airport due to inclement weather when Joe decided to prepare something special for the grumpy guests. Joe put together fresh coffee, whiskey, brown sugar, and topped each individual cup off with whipped cream. The airport went silent when a customer exclaimed, "Is that Brazilian coffee?" Joe replied, "No, that's Irish coffee." The coffee became a regular menu item, an international success when Stan Delaplane brought the recipe back to San Francisco to Jack Kepler, owner of the Buena Vista. Several unsuccessful attempts prompted Jack to travel to Ireland to meet Joe himself. And this is what he found out. Put your Irish coffee in a glass coffee mug. Put in a teaspoon of brown sugar, or if you're like me, do a whole tablespoon, the sweeter the better. By doing our brown sugar first, then our Jameson Irish whiskey, then our hot coffee, we're gonna be able to mix the ingredients together easier. Next, 2 ounces of Jameson Irish whiskey, or any Irish whiskey. Get your hot coffee, add about 4 ounces, eye it out. Do not put hot coffee in a metal jigger. You will burn your fingers, and I don't want that to happen to you. Stir in that brown sugar. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna whip our heavy cream. So go ahead and add about 2 ounces of heavy cream to your tin and shake it for about 10 seconds. It's gonna thicken that cream. And then we're gonna drip it onto our coffee using a spoon. Oh yeah, look at that separation. Reminds me of my childhood. Anyways, that's the Irish coffee. The first drink you should be drinking this St. Paddy's Day. I hope you have a great one. Thanks for tuning in to Bar School. Cheers. We'll see you next time.